Live in 5, set, go. He's getting a head start. Oh boy. Oh no. What's going on here? That's a 7-year-old. Stay out of the water box. We just did a burnout. Oh, I forgot the water. Here we go. Coming in hot. Look at this kid, doing it for Dale. I'm telling you, Dale's not dead, he's 3 laps ahead. He's gonna lap you. Go, go, go! You're not done! You're not done, go, go, go! You're about to lap him, you gotta go! This kid, you gotta raise him right. Oh no, you better slow down. Oh my gosh, we got a lapper! Oh man! You guys were doing 5 laps. You guys were doing 5 laps.